Hello, I'm Teacher Gay. Let's learn about the Maragondon River, our Kawayan Festival, and some ways to protect and conserve the environment. Today, let us take a short journey in one of the most precious treasures in our town, the Maragondon River. Look closely at the river. You'll notice how it flows gently between green trees and tall mountains. The clear water reflects the blue sky, and the soft sound of ripples reminds us how alive nature truly is. But sometimes we also notice plastic and waste floating, a sad reminder that we must take better care of our river. Now, imagine yourself riding on a balsa, slowly moving along the river. The cool wind touches your face. On one side, you see tall trees dancing with the wind. On the other, green mountains stand proudly protecting our land. Birds fly over, and the sunlight sparkles on the water's surface. The view is peaceful and full of life. This is the beauty of Maragondon. Aren't you proud to live in such a wonderful place? The Maragondon River is not only beautiful, it is also important. It gives us water, helps our farmers, and provides home for fish and other living creatures. But to keep our river beautiful, we must protect it. We can do this by not throwing trash, planting trees, and joining clean-up drives. Each small action helps our environment stay healthy and clean. Maragondon is truly rich in natural beauty. Aside from the river, we also have other spots that make our town special. These places attract visitors and help our tourism grow. So let us always remember, when we care for our environment, we also show love for our town. The Maragondon River is a gift. Let's keep it alive, clean, and beautiful for the next generation to see and enjoy. Celebrate the beauty of Maragondon River and its gift. Let us remember that Maragondon is not only rich in nature, but it is also rich in culture and tradition. Every year, we join together to celebrate something very special, a festival that has become a symbol of whom we are. So, do you know what it is? Yes, it's Kawayan Festival. Festivals are more than just music, dancing, and food. They are symbols of our heritage and unity. Through them, we express our love for our town and our pride as Maragondonians. Now, why do you think our people choose the bamboo or kawayan as the symbol of our festival? The answer lies in the bamboo itself. Bamboo is strong yet flexible. It bends during strong winds but never breaks easily. Just like the people of Maragondon, who stay strong through challenges and always rise again with hope and courage. Bamboo is also a gift of nature. It grows fast, provides shade, materials for houses, furniture, and even musical instruments. Truly, it represents life, strength, and sustainability. Celebrating the Kawayan Festival is not only about fun and joy. It's also about protecting and promoting our environment and culture. When we highlight bamboo, we encourage everyone to plant more of it, to use natural materials instead of plastic, and to appreciate the beauty of what nature provides. At the same time, we share our traditions, our dances, our songs, and our crafts to remind everyone how rich our local culture is. If you were to add one new activity to the Kawayan Festival, what would it be? Maybe a Kawayan clean-up parade, where everyone carries bamboo baskets instead of plastic bags while picking up trash near rivers and streets. Or perhaps a bamboo planting challenge where families, learners plant bamboo along river banks. Through these activities, we learn that celebration can also mean taking care of what we celebrate, our environment and our heritage. Tourism is also a big part of our town's growth. When people visit Maragondon to witness the Kawayan Festival or see our natural wonders like the river and mountains, it helps our local businesses and makes others appreciate our way of life. But as we promote tourism, we must also make sure it is clean, green, and responsible. A beautiful place is worth visiting only if it is well cared for. So remember, my dear pupils, our Maragondon River and our Kawayan Festival are not just sights to see or days to celebrate. They are living symbols of our love for nature, our culture, and our people. Let us protect them, celebrate them, and pass them on with pride to the next generation. After learning about our Maragondon River and our proud Kawayan Festival, let's talk about some important ways how to show our love for nature by protecting and conserving the environment. When we protect our surroundings, who do you think will benefit? That's right, everyone. Our families will live in a cleaner and safer place. Our animals and plants will have healthy homes. And we the people of Maragondon will enjoy a beautiful, peaceful, and green environment. But protecting nature doesn't always need big actions. Even small, simple things can make a big difference. We can throw garbage in the proper bin, plant trees and care for plants, avoid using too much plastic, join clean-up drives and keep our surroundings tidy, recycle and reuse materials instead of throwing them away. Hello! I hope you learned something about our Maragondon River, Kawayan Festival, and how to show love for our nature. That's all. Bye! Thank you for listening.